If you're holding any Terrarium or Terra, it is not over. It is not over. The currency is still at over 1 mil volume in the last 24 hours, and something crazy just happened in the chart. A very, very interesting indicator that will show you. And it's not just the 200 EMA. Yes, on the 5-minute chart, you can see us above the 5-minute, the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. On the 30-minute chart, you can see us just hovering around it and trying to crush it. But there's something else I want you to know. But before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. Just a random dude on the internet. Definitely slap the like button or I'll slap you. I'll find you and I will slap you. Subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers. That's not easy. If you subscribe, you'll learn about the hottest, newest cryptocurrencies first before anyone else, and daily price predictions over 10 videos every single day delivered to you. That's all you gotta do. If you want to buy Terra, the best place to buy that is AMXC. They have the lowest fees, better than Uniswap, and right now they have an event to win a Tesla. Just use my link in the description down below, go there, sign up for AMXC, and there's a chance to win. There's here the requirements and so on. So what do we know about Terra? Well, Terra had a crossover that you can see if we add 2 more indicators in. We wouldn't need the Ichimoku per se. We would definitely want 2 more EMA, so we'll duplicate that, copy, paste, and we want to add the 5 EMA. This is basically the market cipher EMAs, the 1 and 8, I believe, for was it 5 there, which is basically 5 and 21. So we're looking for the 5 EMA, which we can have a, I don't know what color. We can have a reddish color, okay, and then we can have the 21 EMA, which is my favorite EMA by far. We can go ahead and get it into green, 21, and check something that just happened on, I believe I was watching the 4-hour chart on AMXC. Yeah, it was on the 4-hour chart, and as you can see right here, we're actually getting a cross just now. It's happening right now. If you have a custom chart and you have the 3-hour chart, you would already see the crossover. This is a very, very powerful signal. Normally when we have crossovers, we had a crossover here, we dumped, we had the crossover, if we had the, yeah, pretty much we had a cross here, dump, cross here, pump, cross here, dump, 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 and then we had a cross here, and now we're pumping. So this is something that I'm very, very interested in, and I can make daily videos on Terra. If you want me to make them, all you gotta do is tell me that in the comment section down below and like the video. If you get 20 likes, I can make Terra videos daily. So you can share the video and everything else to help me out. It would really, really help out the channel. See you next video. Bye.